Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. So today Clubhouse released its Android version in Play Store, but the sad part is it's only available in the States, that is USA. Any other country is not available too because it's in the beta testing phase where users are experiencing how the app flows, if it's working correctly so that they can give feedback to the developers so that they can improve upon it. But well, most Android users are waiting anxiously to get this application. So if you're outside the USA and you go on Play Store, you're asked to pre-register so you don't get the application to enjoy. So today I'm going to teach you how you can get Clubhouse on your mobile phone without any struggle. So follow me as I take you through the steps. So first of all you have to do is to get a VPN, and I recommend Tunnel Beer since it's going to do amazing job for you. So you download Tunnel Beer on Play Store, you select United States from the drop down menu, and you get it connected. After you are done, open to your Play Store app and search for Clubhouse. There you go. So it will change from pre-register to install, and you click on install and it will upload onto your mobile app. So you wait for it to finish downloading. So as it's waiting, I'll pause the video here and come back when it's done. So after it's done installing, you open it. If you are a first time user, you click on get your username, you register. But I'm not a first time user, so I'll click on sign in. I'll input my phone number. Now click on next. So it will send me a 4-digit code which I will use to verify. So it's in, I fulfill. And it sends me to the rooms. So guys, that's how to install Clubhouse on your Android application. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.